Welcome to this tutorial on using the System Suitability Test, or SST function in visionCATS. In this guide, you will learn how to configure SST parameters using the Universal HPTLC Mix, UHM, and how to generate a method for routine analysis. Begin by opening an existing analysis file. Go to the Chromatography tab and open the Track Assignment table. Make sure that at least one track is assigned as SST. We recommend applying the UHM onto track 1 and/or track 8. Navigate to the Data tab and display the developed plate under 254 nanometer illumination. Enable the display of plate labels and track assignments for clear identification. Observe that tracks 1 and/or 8 correspond to the UHM SST standard. Next, switch to the SST tab. Display the developed plate under 254 nanometer illumination. To define UHM substances in the SST table, click the Add button to create a new entry, or select a substance from the drop-down list. Enter the nominal RF value for each substance, obtained during method validation. The delta RF parameter specifies the allowed deviation range around the nominal RF value. This value is determined during method validation. We recommend calculating the deviation based on 5 plates. Repeat this process to add multiple substances as required. In the Steps section, select the appropriate chromatography step. In the Lambda section, choose the required wavelength or illumination. Optionally, define a minimum peak height, or leave the field empty if not needed. Select the detection mode at 254 nanometer from the visualizer, or from scanning densitometry. In our example, we display the developed plate scanned at 254 nanometers. Once the SST table is complete, click the Check button to verify the configuration. The Status field displays the result of the SST evaluation. Save the analysis before closing the file. In the Explorer window, select the analysis and choose Generate Method from the menu to create a method file. Enter a file name and select the desired save location. The generated method is now ready for use and includes all configured SST parameters. You have now successfully configured the SST function and created a reusable method in visionCATS. This ensures consistent and reliable system suitability verification across your analyses. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.